Hello there. A year ago I did a video with a new toy. I had bought myself a leaf blower and I absolutely loved it. And I did a video where I just pushed the paint around and did a bit of tilting with the leaf blower and just poured the paint on. So this time I have decided that I'm going to do a similar one, but instead of pouring the paint this way and no base coat to speak of, I'm going to do it on the diagonal, but I have also got down a orange base coat, and my colours that I'm using today are antique white, yellow, crimson red and black, and they're all mixed quite thin except the base coat, which is my normal very runny honey. And I'm going to put those colours down in patches, parts and patches, and then I'm going to blow through them with the leaf blower until I get a pattern that I like. So I'll get started now. I'm very pleased with the way that's come out. You would have noticed that halfway through pushing the paint around with my leaf blower, I added some silver to it because I really wasn't over happy with what I had in front of me. It was just a little bit too bland, and I decided on silver rather than white because I wanted to see how many cells I might get from the metallic paint, or lacing. But it doesn't seem to be terribly much because of course that silver was added last and there wasn't much blowing over going on. So I have a little bit of negative space. I have colours pushed around. I'm loving those colours. It's just, I don't know, it's chaos, and I love chaos in colours, particularly in abstract artwork. So I'm going to get my gloves on now and bring this picture up closer to the light for you to have a better look at. So there's a little bit of lacing going on here, and one, maybe two little cells. I love the vibrant orange. It's actually called vermilion, and well, in my country I believe some other countries call it vermilion, and it's a very, very distinctive orange colour that I've made my base, and the silver just added those finishing touches to it. You can see the black and the yellow, the red, and a little bit of the antique white. Most of that has been absorbed in, but overall I'm very, very pleased with the way that has come out. I'm enjoying working in my art room at the moment. I believe a lot of that has got to do with the fact that it is now summer here in New Zealand, even if sometimes it doesn't feel like it. That's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.